Isabel. I'm a Cronulla local and today I came to visit Ya Beauty after a recommendation from my friends. After the consultation with Dr. Lou, I actually received the psoriasis treatment, which I didn't know I had, so that was good to be treated for that. And afterwards, yeah, not only do I feel really taken care of and rejuvenated, but already I saw results, especially from the back of my scalp that needed it. From the first moment of entering the doors to get consultation with Dr. Lou, felt totally taken care of. The treatments are really personalised and bespoke, and such high professionalism and specialty from the staff here. Felt very taken care of. It was very relaxing. I almost fell asleep, and I don't feel rushed through any of the stages. It's a multi-stage treatment, so you definitely feel that they're targeting the different areas. And afterwards, not only do I feel really relaxed, but my skin does also feel more resistant and healthy. I definitely recommend people come into Ya Beauty. I know I'm going to be giving a personal recommendation to my dad who has some scalp problems, but anybody, whether you're wanting to get it therapeutic or preventative, they do everything here. So I would definitely recommend you come in.